Hey there, welcome to Xubii Tech. I've got some amazing gadgets that will enhance your daily life, making it easier, cleaner, and more comfortable. We've got a device that takes hand casting to a whole new level, making it look better than ever before. Meet FlyNova, the ultimate flying spinner toy that will blow your mind. With its innovative hidden drive mechanism, FlyNova can pull off amazing aerobatic tricks and stunts, making playtime an absolute blast. Easy to learn in just a few minutes, FlyNova is perfect for solo play or with friends. Made of durable plastic, it's built to last and withstand countless throws. Once you get the hang of it, you'll discover endless possibilities for fun. Safety is a priority with FlyNova. The blades are covered with a barrier to prevent accidents while spinning. And with just 20 minutes of charging time, you'll be soaring through the skies in no time. FlyNova flies in any direction depending on how you tilt it. Want to go up? Tilt it upwards. Need to head down the street? Tilt it away from you. For prolonged use, consider investing in a portable charger to keep the fun going. Get ready to experience the thrill of flight with FlyNova. Meet SpiderPi, the ultimate robotic companion that will make you stand out among your friends and keep your foes at bay. This sturdy robot is not only great for painting and playing fetch, but it's also perfect for scaring away those pesky spiders. SpiderPi is built to last and is incredibly reliable. Equipped with a camera featuring 2 degrees of freedom rotation, it can scan a full 360 degrees of its surroundings and stream live video to your mobile phone or computer. With its ultrasonic sensor module, SpiderPi can move swiftly and dynamically, expanding its capabilities to include color recognition, object tracking, obstacle avoidance, and line following. Its HD camera head can rotate 140 degrees, ensuring it can observe and recognize faces while maintaining its perfect pose. This intelligent hexapod can even follow lines on the ground and differentiate between different colored objects, executing commands via QR codes. While it may come with a price tag of around $500 or more, SpiderPi is worth every penny for its unmatched capabilities. Introducing Jump Fury, a toy car with wheels that seem larger than the car itself. But there's a reason for that. Jump Fury is no ordinary car. It's a radio-controlled marvel designed to conquer any surface, be it vertical or horizontal. Its soft yet durable wheels ensure it won't harm surfaces or itself. This compact car can spin in place and even take flight, jumping up to 22 inches high. Create your own obstacle courses and watch Jump Fury leap over household objects with ease. Get your hands on this thrilling toy for just $40. Empower yourself with the Magnus functional thread shooter. When superheroes are nowhere to be found and villains are on the loose, ordinary folks can step up to the challenge. For just $350, anyone can own this wristband, reminiscent of the one Spider-Man uses in the comics. Here's the catch: it doesn't shoot webs, but specialized spider wire threads that stick exclusively to metal objects, thanks to potent neodymium magnets. With a firing range of approximately 9 feet, the wristband's components are crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and meticulously assembled by hand. Be the hero of your own story. The manufacturer hints at exciting possibilities, teasing that this is just the beginning. Could we witness Wolverine's claws and more in the future? Introducing the HHD-H6. A motorcycle that effortlessly transforms into a drone with just a couple of button presses. Watch as the wheels morph into propellers, ready to take flight. But that's not all. It comes equipped with an incredible camera for capturing stunning photos and videos. But wait, there's more. The HHD-H6 also features remote control capability, allowing you to take off from your hand and safely land it at your fingertips. Plus, enjoy real-time image transmission to your smartphone. This versatile drone can hover effortlessly in the air, eliminating vibrations for smooth footage. Control it with either the remote or your smartphone. With a battery life of 8 minutes in the air or 15 minutes on the ground, it's packed with power. And if you're into some friendly competition, meet the Ganker robot, your personal fighting companion. Challenge your friends to epic battles and prove who's the true robot master. No need for online games. Experience the thrill of face-to-face combat with these real-world robots. Made by GJS, these educational toys teach kids about engineering and robotics while keeping parents engaged. With a 4 all-direction chassis, these robots are lightning fast and can move effortlessly in any direction. Powered by servo motors, they move and react naturally, allowing for realistic combat simulations. So gear up, unleash your creativity, and let the battles begin. SKG F5 portable massagers are gaining immense popularity in the market. However, never before has a massager been so user-friendly, lightweight, and portable like the SKG F5. This incredible new massager can easily fit into almost any bag you own. While being rechargeable, it delivers powerful relief that helps soothe sore muscles, reducing the time needed for post-workout recovery. Equipped with easy-to-use buttons for turning it on/off or adjusting vibration intensity, the SKG F5 stands out by offering a pushing action that penetrates deep into your muscles rather than just surface-level vibrations. The massaging head's arm moves rapidly in and out, allowing for deep tissue penetration and an effective massage experience. Plus, after use, simply plug it in, and it'll be ready for your next session. You can even customize your massage experience by swapping out the massaging heads for harder or softer pressure as per your preference. Meet the Aogo BS2, the one-button automatic inflatable sofa featuring built-in air pump technology, the ultimate blend of comfort and convenience. Just press the button and voila. Your inflatable sofa swiftly puffs up thanks to the built-in electric air pump, transforming your space into a cozy haven in no time. It's as quick as making a cup of coffee, freeing up your hands completely to savor your leisure time. Even kids can handle it with ease. The Aogo sofa boasts a unique and innovative design, sporting an ultralight built-in electric air pump, 3rd generation, that employs the original AirVortech technology. This air-powered high-speed spindle can rev up to an impressive 50,000 RPM. Despite its compact size, it delivers 3 times the maximum pressure and airflow rate. The high-performance 3800 mAh lithium battery ensures an incredible battery life, combining high power and maximized airflow for faster and easier inflation. Enjoy the comfort without the hassle. Stay tuned to discover more exciting innovations from Xubii Tech.